Hey there, and welcome to our video tutorial on how to download the Instagram app on your Android device. In this video, we'll show you the easy steps to download the app, so you can start sharing your photos and connecting with others on the platform. Step 1. Open the Google Play Store. The first thing you need to do is open the Google Play Store app on your Android device. If you don't have it yet, go to the Google Play Store and download it. Once you have it installed, open the app. Step 2. Tap on the search icon in the top right corner of the screen. You should see a small magnifying glass icon. Tap on this to begin your search. Step 3. Type Instagram. Using the on-screen keyboard, type Instagram into the search bar. Double-check your spelling to ensure that you get accurate search results. Step 4. Tap on the Instagram app. Once you find the Instagram app in the search results, tap on it to open the app page. Step 5. Tap Install. On the Instagram app page, you'll see a blue button that says Install. Tap on this button to begin downloading the app to your device. Step 6. Wait for the app to download. The download time may vary depending on your internet connection speed, but once the app is downloaded, it will automatically install on your device. Step 7. Open the Instagram app. Once the Instagram app is installed, you can open it from your app drawer or from the home screen. That's it. You've successfully downloaded the Instagram app on your Android device. Now you can start exploring the platform, sharing your photos, and connecting with others. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. And if you did, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more great content like this. Thanks for watching.